This is my brother-in-law. He's gonna cut down a tree. Hope it doesn't come into that America's Funniest Videos thing. We got my sister, Michelle and Christy. And Caleb's cheering them on.
Woo-hoo! Go Brad!
How's he getting down?
Same way he went up?
Are you kidding me?
That's the way that you get scratched. Coming down's a lot less fun.
Well,
Don't rip your pants.
Huh?
Don't rip
Oh,
your
they're probably
pants.
already ripped. They're probably already gone.
that's a pretty good drop.
Hook the loppers.
You go on up. We've got plenty.
Hook
Yeah,
the
you're
loppers to
good.
it. No, hook the loppers to it. You need the loppers up here.
Oh, loppers. Sherry's got the loppers. Sherry.
Mom!
Go get her, Anna.
Just hang in there, Brian.
We did this earlier tonight. Got some dirt away from the house. Michelle did some weed eating over here. And we took out that tree. And the bush that the lady hit.
$20, so. It's a cheapo phone because he keeps
Well, the
breaking
clutch of my
them.
pants seems to be holding out.
How
Well,
much do you pay for your cell phone?
$20.
20 bucks? Okay.
okay.
I was about to say, if you want another phone, then I'll hook you up.
There's my mom. She's coming over with the cloppers.
There you go, Caleb. I'll let you get them up to him.
Just good enough. Doesn't have to be complicated.
Well, I wasn't trying to make it complicated.
I
I
know.
was trying to make it to where it,
No!
oh!
Baby.
It's still going!
Come on, baby!
Oh! Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Yes!
Oh, there's a clear path.
It's crazy, dude.